And yo guys, in this video I'll be revealing how much YouTube paid me for 63 views on my long form video. So stay with me as I'll be showing you guys my algorithm, my RPA, my insights, my impression and retention, every single thing I'll be showing you guys on this video, how much. But trust me, you will be shocked how much YouTube pays me for this video, honestly. So let's dive into the video without wasting much time. So now here is my YouTube studio. So let's go to the long form video, right? Let's go to the long form video. Here is my videos. So let's go. Let me show you the video, right? Okay, here is the video. This video that has 63 views. That the video is live stream. I live streamed that video, okay? So this video has this video is 20 minutes long video, okay, this video is 20 minute long video. So as this video I was live streaming for about 20 minutes. So the money YouTube pays me for this video really surprised me. I was not even thinking I will have about almost about that kind of amount. I was not even thinking I would have about I wasn't even thinking I'm gonna earn I wasn't even thinking I'm going to earn a lot like that. So let me show you guys inside my my insight, right? So now I'll be showing you guys every single thing you need to know, right? Here is the overview. So in this overview space, here is the views it's showing. They say this live stream, I live stream this video live stream is 4 days ago. So you see the current viewers, the way it works here. So this video is still updating. I guess maybe within 2 days the whole thing will come fully. So let me show you guys. Read time 1 hour within 48 hours of one person watch. So let me show you the reach of this live stream. This live stream, YouTube shows this live stream to about 608 people. So out of 608 people, 63 people watch this live stream, right? So you look, live stream is not all about when you are live streaming, the viewers you got from the live stream, that's the only views they will pay you. So YouTube doesn't work that way. YouTube will pay you after you live stream and the video comes live. YouTube, when you publish the video, YouTube, when people are still watching the videos, YouTube will be paying you for placing advert on the video. That is how you get money from your live stream. So I'll be showing you guys every single thing like right now. So you see the retention impression is 608, right? So you see where the viewers are coming from. The viewers are coming from browser, features, channel, pages, notification, and others. You see, so extra channel or site app. You see, that does not have traffic. That's the reason why I'm telling you that this video is still updating, okay? So you see the content that is suggesting this live stream is this video. We see content suggesting this live stream. Here is the content suggesting this live stream is 4%, suggesting the live stream 4%. So let's go to the second one, which is the engagement, right? So the engagement we have on this video here, the watch time we have in this video is we have 2 watch time. 2 watch time is not even up to an hour. But trust me, if the money they paid me on this live stream really surprised me. Honestly, I'm being serious right now. So you see the watch time is 2, is not even up to an hour, right? So let's go. You see, let's see audience retention. They say not enough information to display audience retention data. They say like versus dislike. You see, like versus dislike. People that like the video, the live stream channel 90 average and channel average 93%. It's good. It's good. So let's see from the engagement, let's see the average view duration. The average view duration is 1 minute 22 22 seconds is the average duration people watch this video for long. They watch the live stream for 1 minute to 22 seconds. That's the average view duration. So let's go to audience right now. So we are going to audience, right? So for the audience, you see the unique viewers is 10 people, that unique viewers that watch my video. Some of them came back. There are 10 people, right? So let's go down. They say audience by audience by watch behavior. Not enough data to show this report. Viewers also watch the last 90 days. Not enough data to show this report. Okay. Device type. Time, hours since published, right? Tablet and mobile, which is people that watch this video are people that make use of tablets, which is tab, and their phone. So ages that watch this video, nothing showing, right? Not enough data to display. Gender that watch is not enough data to show here. So let's go the top categories, which is the continent that watch this, watch this particular live stream. Let's see. Wow, the continent that watch this live stream are Nigerians. And most of my viewers are not Nigerians, so I don't know why Nigerians are the people watching this live stream. So let's see. So then they say top subjects and languages. So you see they say English and no subject are the people that watch it. Majority of people that watch it are English, right? So the watch time for subscribers that came in, non-subscribers that watch are 52%, then subscribers are 43%, 47.3%, right? So the people that watch this video mostly are non-subscribers. So let's go to the main important. Okay. Before we go there, this live stream, I did not get even a subscriber on this live stream. So let's go to the main purpose we are making this video, which is the revenue. How much YouTube paid me for this live stream, right? So let's start with revenue. This is what you guys want to see, right? Okay. You see, YouTube pays me 45 cents for this live stream. 20-minute live stream, YouTube paid me 45 cents. And you see, the main reason why this money is not that big is because of the people that are watching me are Nigerians. Come to think of it, viewers that are watching me are people from US, Canada, UK, Australia, Germany. I might earn even more than this. I might earn like $5 for this particular views, for this 63 views that I got on this video. I might earn about that amount. So you see, I earned 45 cents, right, on this live stream. So you see the advert, they say they said how you make money. Watch page advert, which is people, they place advert on the video, which is people watch the advert. That's the main reason why I got this amount of money, right? So you see the live performance. Live performance is 59 viewers, right? My RPM is still loading. They did not show me the RPM, and I did not get any gift from the live stream, right? I did not receive any gifts from the live stream revenue. So you see, the revenue came from the watch page ad, which is the watch page ad that they place on the video, right? So you see what advertisers are willing to pay. How much advertisers are willing to pay? Advertisers are willing to pay $825 for 1,000 views. Wow, it's a lot. Come to think of it, I have like 10,000 views on this live stream. See, I might I might go home with nothing less than $200. Because if they are willing to pay $840, my RPM will be nothing to compare to maybe $10 or $10, $20 per 1,000 views. So are we going with a lot of money? So this is the things you really need to know. And YouTube is a very nice place. So if you are creating content and you see that you want to take your content creating you are playing, please don't play with your content creating YouTube creating content. Make sure you are posting your content, because YouTube, there's money on YouTube if you are willing to continue posting your video consistent and being active on the page. You will get a lot of money from it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video and share this video. Peace out.